Well, if you are the association, you must have counsel to represent you in court, because under Florida law, corporations cannot represent themselves and they need to have counsel. And condominium associations and homeowner associations are nonprofit corporations, so they have to have attorneys representing them. For individuals that reside in HOA or condominium associations, typically the dispute arises and the unit owner or the homeowner will contact either the property management company or the property manager, or maybe even the board of directors. And sometimes that will provide relief to the owner, but more often than not, the property manager or the board will indicate that they're not going to follow what the unit owner is suggesting, or enforce a rule or some type of term in the declaration of covenants or condominiums against the owner. And at that point, the owner is kind of stuck. So what the unit owner can do at that point is to retain an attorney that works in that area, such as myself. And typically what I do is I reach out to the property manager or management company, and or to the board of directors, and state our position. And usually that's after researching the governing documents and making sure that the owner has a case with merit. And once I determine that, then I reach out to the board and try and resolve it without any type of litigation. If it can't be resolved through negotiations with the board of directors or their attorney, which usually happens, they'll bring their attorney in. Then there's alternative dispute resolutions, such as mediation for a homeowners association and arbitration for condominiums. And if that doesn't resolve the matter, then there's always litigation. And certainly most unit owners are not attorneys, and even if they are, you shouldn't really represent yourself. The old saying about a fool representing themselves is pretty apt, kind of across the board. So because you have emotions involved, and you may be an attorney, but you may not be a condo or HOA attorney. So you really need to make sure that you have an attorney that knows civil procedure, that can litigate cases, such as myself. And then you also need somebody that's familiar with the condo and HOA laws and rules.